Hi everyone, this is Bill from Arizona, and today I'm going to do a brief introduction of how to use the CLIO platform and the concept. Okay, let's start from the PowerPoint. Okay, so let me start from the element intro. So you can see there is a mapping object, like on left hand side is a real world. We have like customer property and for the mapping to the project of a CLIO, and the admin, operator, and end user mapping to the user of the CLIO, and also, of course, our device to the channel. And CLIO is the platform can let you immediately become the service provider. So that's why we need to have these kind of elements. So let's take a look at the next one. So let's take a look. Let's take a security service company to be an example. So for the inside the security service company, they will have an installer and also operator and admin, three kind of role. And also from the outside, they have their own customers. So the infrastructure will be similar like this one. So the security service admin, they have they will set an account, they will set the project, and they will add the camera, and after they will assign the operator to each project. And let's take a look about also after that, each operator will have the retail or a bank or the office for different location, and also this location will be also being assigned to different end users. Three kind of role assign the project. Maybe there's will be a little bit confused. Let's take a look at the real product. Okay, so you can go to demo.clio.arizona.io and use the demo as admin login. When you log in, you will have the full access of all the functions. And as I mentioned previously, we can start from creating the project. So I have already created 3 projects, and each project I add some cameras, and also you can add some note here, address, and it's another one. I also add some camera as well. You can add IPCAN, DVR, or any device with the stream, video streaming. Okay, as you can see, different project refers to different locations. You can also enter the address group and customer ID for your customer information management as well. Okay, so as a system admin, you can basically see all the all the project videos location, like for example is Arizona Taiwan. You can see there's 3 channels, and also you can add your favorite. As this, I already add a favorite. Sorry, it's not this one. You can see, because I have 3 locations and I want to see all locations at the same time in the same layout, I can add my favorite. Okay, so here comes the users. Okay, I also create different users for different purpose. For example, there will be an end user, or of them is end user. Let me change one of them to be your operator. For example, I change CLIO. So if we take the example of the security service company, this admin, as an admin, I already created a project and I add cameras, and also after that I need to create users and assign users to each project. For example, I will assign Arizona Taiwan to Bill, and account operator, of course, CLIO, and also Japan to Max, and of course account is the same one. Okay, and also David on the CLIO. And these 3 locations, for example, if we take the example of the retail, like the retail 1 manager can see only retail 1, retail 2 manager can only see retail 2, but the retail owner can see all of them. So according to this kind of concept, I add Arizona to every project. Okay, and Arizona to every project. Okay, so as an admin, my job is basically done. So I would just log out, and for example, let me log in as account operator first. Okay, so after you log in, you will see incident. It's different than the end user. So what the incident's for? Let me trigger event. So when you try to trigger event, they will basically you can take a scenario when there is no one in the house and your security device been triggered, and you will see some the channels comes out. Okay, so as you can see, I trigger 4 device, and you can just check one of them, and it will immediately bring you the live view. And also you can make your note here, and just a simple test. Okay, so you can see the incident close, and also because our system will record the post and after event for the video, so you can check, but it's still uploading, so you can see the button is black. Let's check out later. So I will make the incident close. So as you can see, the pending from 4 to 3, and it will come to here. Okay, and you can of course check all the time. They're still uploading, so let's check back later. Okay, so let's close all of them so we can so we can go to the next testing. Okay, so this is the basic account operator. They will just take a look at this monitoring, and of course they can check all the live view as well, and also the playback. For example, if I want to check the playback from, for example, maybe today, and you can check and download. Okay, cool. So let's log out. As an end user, let's take a look Bill, maybe. Okay. When Bill log in, Bill can only see its own store, which will be Arizona, Taiwan, and no incidents because he's end user, and also see the playback. And if Bill logs out, David, okay, David will be another end user, can only see its own project, own location as well. But let's take a look at CLIO. CLIO is the boss of all the retail, so which means he can see all the live view and playback he wants. And of course, he can save the favorite. For example, if I take the Arizona Taiwan have 3 channels, and I add one of them like Europe here, and I will save it to test 1. Okay, so after I change the layout, it's basically it's gone, and I want test 1 back. They will show you all the live view back. Okay, so that's the concept and the real case of the real scenario. I mean demonstration of the CLIO. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me, and my email is bill@arizona.io. Thank you.